Okay, all right, so 4, right? Because we need 1 on each side.
Yep.
Okay, and then plus this will be good if you get your wrench in there and tighten her up.
Yep.
So that's 4 at 37 cents. Right on, bro.
Ooh, appreciate it.
Actually, you know what? Hold that. That can be there. That can stay in there. And then we'll just throw this in the bag. There you go, man.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Y'all have a nice day.
You too, man.
See ya.
Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
Back at the shop. You know, the garage. But I'm about to go to Ace Hardware and see what we can find. It's like the bolts is pretty much seized up on here and they won't really turn. I mean the nuts pretty much seized on here. They won't really turn. And the bolts is all crooked, bent up. So about to go see if we can find the Ace Hardware. Slide up there real quick and get this thing running. Go change my boy tire. I gotta go to work today, but I want to at least try to get a quick little ride in before I gotta go to work. So let's do it, let's go. It's nice as hell outside today. We outside. Everything I might need. Change bro tire real quick. We gonna get in traffic. Roll through my wings. Yo. See, it's supposed to be 70 today? Hell yeah. All right. Hell yeah.
Bro, I thought you took these too.
No, I forgot about them shit.
You ain't forget. You ain't gonna want to grab them shit. Yeah,
Shit, you can just cut the grass while I'm doing this.
Yeah. You like, yeah, I think I just go the long way here to get to your house.
Yeah.
How loud it is. Like,
Yeah, yeah. Oh, my dumb ass and left the shit in the car. Hold that real quick.
That's better than it's rolling?
Yeah.
I'll be the camera guy.
Boy, we had the practice lot pop up on motherfuckers. They'll be like,
You know where that lot at? The one down the street from the house?
Yeah.
I don't like to go there. The police will chase us out of there. What? As soon as I went there one night, and then one day, we was there like 15 minutes. Here come the police.
I was just thinking because it's got a little trail back there. If they did come, we could dip like that.
Go find something?
Man, he looked like he came out
yeah.
the trail.
You're down here on the end on the left side.
Okay.
Yeah. What you got, bud?
We need to replace this nut in these two bolts.
Okay. Would you like them to be the same? Like same?
No, it
this?
doesn't have to be that. If it's like
Okay.
a,
But we need this length, we need this thread, and then we need more of these, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's like. What's it to?
it's a dirt bike.
Right on. Dirt bike. What part of the dirt bike?
It's the chain tensioner in the back that keeps the wheel from sliding back and forth.
We probably need a pretty strong bolt. Nothing
Yeah.
too weak, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So we'll do an 8. A grade 8 bolt will be good. I'll show you a couple options. Does it need to be threaded the whole way?
More than that.
Okay. Let's go down then. Now, the size of it is a 1/4 by 20. Does it need to have that thread? My meaning is that, is it just going to slide through something
Yeah,
and you're
it's-
just good enough? Oh, great. So it goes like through here?
No,
here.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's just got to fit through that.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. If something was on that, there are threads in there.
Yeah, I wonder.
It might be a metric. That's why I mean, because I have metrics that are all threaded.
Yeah.
So let's see what that looks like. That's that exact thread.
Damn. So the other one ain't the perfect fit, huh?
No,
This is
It was wiggling.
I
huh?
just realized. Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't even see that was threaded on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the exact one you need. And that way you pull it down, and then what the tensioner goes through this, and then it holds it on there.
Yeah.
Right on. Okay. So you want to do it like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So we'll do one piece like that.
It's the same length.
Yeah,
What
they are
about
the
this?
same length. Yeah.
Okay.
What about that though?
No, that doesn't matter because I'll still be able to,
all
you
right.
know, just use
All
a
right.
wrench.
Little
Make
wrench.
it so.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So then let's
I actually
do-
rather had a wrench than that screw.
right, because it's hard to get your hand through there, and
Yeah.
at a wrench it's 90 degrees.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. All right. So then let's just do. You're gonna get one of those at $1.79.
It don't line for one side, right?
Yeah, I need one for each side.
Oh,
Okay.
one
So
for
we
each
get
side.
2 then. Same thing. Yeah.
Would I need the bolts? Oh, that seems like it's pretty solid, right?
It is solid, but with the tensioning, what this is purely holding what you're tensioning to this bracket. So
Okay.
then you need another thing, the little nuts,
yeah,
to
yeah.
hold it on that which is being tensioned.
Yeah.
Right.
So it can stay where it is.
Indeed,
Yeah.
absolutely. So I made by 125, and yeah, and these will be. And that's what I said, kind of went in my head. But whenever I started it up, I'm telling you, it was spitting out. Yeah. Guy brought a chainsaw and I was like, I don't know what happened. And I'm like, oh, it looks like you put too much oil in the gasoline. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. We'll call you in a couple of days.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, all right. So 4, right? Because we need 1 on each side.
Yep.
Okay, and then plus this will be good if you get your wrench in there and tighten her up.
Yep.
So that's 4 at 37 cents. All right, bro.
Ooh, appreciate it.
Actually, you know what? Hold that. That can be there. That can stay in there, and then we'll just throw this in the bag. Here you go, man.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Y'all have a nice day.
You too, man.
See ya.
I didn't even realize it was threaded. Like it was just somebody before just had rigged it up.
Yeah, just to hold it.
Just to hold it. That's way better that it screws in there like that. How you doing?
Hey.
Good.
What did we get? 2 and 4, right? You're busy?
Yeah.
Yep.
Keeping out of trouble, I hope.
Oh yeah.
Too old for trouble.
Yeah, right. That's when it gets fun. My hip's bad, I can't go as fast.
Yeah.
Are y'all an Ace Rewards member?
No.
You sure you don't want to join? It's a coupon program. You earn coupons to shop here. It's like free money.
Does it cost to sign up?
Nothing.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yes. It's $5.48. Let me show you. And if you download the app, they'll give you $5 cash. Yeah. This is the black one's like cash.
Oh, okay.
There you go. There's
I just
your
gotta
receipt.
download the app to get it.
Yep. There you go.
Appreciate it.
Have a good one. Thanks, guys.
All right, man.
Yeah, Arlene. And Tom's like, where'd you go?
You need a bike shop when you got Ace Hardwood.
No, right? Really?
That joint really ain't gonna move nowhere. Then I'll put some Loctite on there so it really don't go nowhere.